Is it possible to transform an unlivable planet into a second Earth? Imagine turning inhospitable landscapes into places where life can thrive, a process we call terraforming. With Earth's population swelling and environmental concerns mounting, the future may well lie in our ability to create a habitable world beyond our own. The challenges are colossal, but the potential rewards are immeasurable. So buckle up as we venture into the cosmos and delve into the intriguing world of terraforming. Let's explore 5 key factors that could make terraforming a reality. And number 5, atmosphere creation. Our planet's atmosphere is an invisible shield, a life-giving blanket of gases that keeps us alive. It's the right mix of nitrogen, oxygen, and trace amounts of other gases that makes Earth's atmosphere ideal for sustaining life. But when we consider terraforming another planet, we're faced with the challenge of creating a similar atmosphere from scratch or modifying what's already there. Scientists propose various methods for this monumental task. One idea is to introduce microorganisms capable of surviving harsh conditions. These little pioneers could gradually modify the atmosphere, making it more Earth-like over time. Another proposal involves the use of machines that can release gases into the atmosphere, altering its composition. While these ideas may sound like science fiction, they are based on our current understanding of planetary science and biology. Yet creating a suitable atmosphere is just the first step in terraforming a planet. Number 4, water supply. Water, the universal solvent, is a fundamental building block for life as we know it. It's more than just a thirst quencher, it's the molecular magic that makes life possible. On Earth, water is abundant, but what about a terraformed planet? Scientists propose several intriguing methods. One option is to import it, hauling icy comets or asteroids from the outer reaches of the solar system, a bit like a cosmic water delivery service. Alternatively, we could manufacture it in situ, combining available hydrogen and oxygen atoms through a process called electrolysis. These methods might sound like science fiction, but they are based on real scientific understanding and technology that is currently in development. Of course, once we have the water, we need to keep it. A stable atmosphere and appropriate temperature regulation will be key to preventing it from boiling away into space or freezing solid. Water is essential for life as we know it, but it's not the only requirement. Number 3, temperature regulation. A planet's temperature is a crucial factor in determining its habitability. Too hot or too cold, and life as we know it cannot be sustained. The ideal temperature allows for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life. But how do we regulate a terraformed planet's temperature? The answer lies in the greenhouse effect, a natural process we're familiar with on Earth. By carefully managing the composition of the planet's atmosphere, we can trap heat from its star, warming the planet to a comfortable level. This might involve introducing gases like carbon dioxide or even water vapor to the atmosphere. However, it's a delicate balance. Too much greenhouse effect can lead to a runaway situation like on Venus. With a suitable temperature range, a planet becomes more hospitable, but there are still more factors to consider. Number 2, gravity and magnetic field. We've often overlooked the role of gravity in our daily lives, yet it's fundamental for maintaining an atmosphere and enabling liquid water to exist. And then there's the magnetic field, our planet's invisible shield protecting us from lethal solar radiation. In the grand scheme of terraforming, we can't afford to ignore these aspects. Scientists propose using mass drivers to hurl asteroids into a planet, increasing its mass and thus its gravity. As for the magnetic field, it's a bit trickier. We might need to kickstart the planet's core or create an artificial field. It's all still theoretical, but these are challenges we must face. Gravity and a strong magnetic field are crucial, but there's one more factor that could make or break the terraforming process. And the number 1, sustainable ecosystem. To transform a barren planet into an Earth-like haven, we must create a self-sustaining ecosystem. This is not as simple as planting a few trees and hoping for the best. It involves introducing a variety of life forms, from bacteria and fungi to plants and animals, all playing their part in a delicate balance. But how do we achieve this? Scientists propose using bioengineering to create hardy organisms capable of surviving harsh alien conditions. These pioneer species could kickstart the process of soil formation and atmospheric regulation, paving the way for more complex life forms. A sustainable ecosystem is the final and perhaps most important factor in successfully terraforming a planet. So is terraforming really possible? In sum, we've explored the intricate process of creating a livable planet, understanding its complexities and the immense challenges. Yet, it's an exciting prospect, potentially paving the way for humanity's second home. While we're still a long way from turning sci-fi into reality, terraforming represents a fascinating possibility for the future of space exploration and colonization.